start?
Yes.
Namaste. On behalf of Panchajanya Cultural Heritage Initiatives, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Today is the fourth lecture in the series on Shakti worship and Indic religious systems, and today's topic is Shakti worship and Adi Shankaracharya. Today, we are indeed very fortunate to have got a scholar like Dr. Minakshee Joshi to deliver this lecture. She holds a doctorate in Sanskrit from Vikram University, Ujjaini, and her main area of specialization is Advaita Vedanta. She also has a diploma in vocal classical music from Prachin Kala Kendra, Chandigarh. She has 4 books to her credit, and the 5th one is in the process of publication. She has also contributed 20 book chapters to the project The Indian Intellectual Traditions, Their Contemporary Relevance, Mind, Morality and Motives, Learning from Indian Traditions with the ICCR. Her research papers have been published in prestigious journals like Janhavi Sanskrit e-Journal, Sthapatyam, Veda Vipasha and Chayanata. She is also closely associated with reputed international publications like Janhavi Sanskrit e-Journal and the Philosophy Study. Dr. Joshi has lectured widely and has many honors and awards to her credit. I now